The place I'm at today was founded in 1843. It was mainly a fertilizer factory. The company changed its name from its earlier 1800s name to Fisons in 1940s. It then closed down in 1995. Now since then, the building itself, one of the ones which got burnt down in an arson attack, was Grade 2 listed. Fisons was also a sponsor for a local football club in the mid-1980s all the way through till the mid-1990s. This team also won the Second Division Championship and gained promotion to the new Premier League in that time. Right, today I'm somewhere which I've been wanting to do for ages. It's near me, and it's an old factory kind of. It got burnt out a couple of years ago. It's on a very busy road, so I'm gonna have to be very, very silent here. So this might be more of that's train tracks next to us as well. Basically, we're gonna stay here until we get kicked off. That's the plan, because it's watched over quite well, so we'll just stay here until we get kicked off. But here we go, this is the view. So this building here used to be completely wooden, and it was a Grade 2 listed building, and it got burnt down a couple of years ago. So look at it all. I'll catch you in a bit when I get inside. I've got a torch I can put on there. This was a loading bay. Yeah, this was a loading bay. Here it says professional chemical storage.
There's no way out because of storage.
So there was some sort of storage in here, but you can't see. It's all dark. But the road is literally just on the other side of that wall. See, there's a car gone past, so we've got to be so shh. Look at it. Pretty sick this is. I've wanted to do this place for ages. Through to the next part. The graffiti. Oh my god, look at this. That's sick. Look at that. It's like Devil Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse?
Yeah. I had mates in school who used to come here and skateboard like every weekend because it was just so open to go around. Look at this, like the graffiti here is pretty good. I hate graffiti, but it is pretty good. see how this building caught on fire so quick, and that's because if you look over here, try not to stand in too much glass because it will make a noise. We'll go over here. Right, it's all wooden, and up here, apart from the roof, all wooden. And this building next to it, that's how it caught on fire so quick, because it was a wooden structure. Just blew up in a blaze so quick. And we're now coming up to some insane graffiti now. This reminds me of RAF Upward. Look at this. See, and up here, this is where it started to catch fire. Look at this. This is part of the building which was set on fire. Look at it now. It's just a mess. So apparently, I just got told that this used to be a 3-story building here, 2 to 3 story, and on one layer, I remember seeing on photos and stuff, there used to be like a little skate park bit in it which some kids had made, but yeah. So this section here, what were they making? Or what was?
It was a fertilizer factory.
Fertilizer factory.
It's a garden fertilizer. Oh. That's what Fisons did, basically.
Interesting.
But it closed. I don't know exactly. Before,
early 2000, wasn't it?
Well, it might have been 2001-ish.
Yeah.
Around the moon.
Yeah. Okay, so we just legged it through like open space. Mr. Burns! Look at this! Mr. Burns! So basically now, look how open that is. These buildings here, people are in work in those buildings at the moment. So we've got to be so careful. Here comes the next part. Wish me luck. Look at that. Okay, we're currently just sat here because don't want to get spotted. Look how open it is. Henry's going for it. He's going for it. I've got to move up as well. Here we go. because the train just came past.
Ladder. But obviously there used to be walkways all along this.
Yeah, you can tell.
And then this is the base of the tower, so obviously this all goes down to the floor.
Okay.
So obviously this is the tower. So you used to be able, I don't think you still can, you could climb
That.
off this onto top of the door up there and then out that window.
Yeah.
And then follow that in.
So we've got some like electrical stuff here coming through here. Look at that. Big Walking Dead vibes. Big Walking Dead vibes.